The dogs were added again today. Here are my top 5. At number 5, we have Leo. You can see the betrayal in his eyes. At number 4, we have Riley, who lives in dog heaven.
And it goes a little something like this.
We're flying high, we're flying right up to the sky.
At number 3, we have Toby. His owner decided to use the oldest trick in the book.
Betty, are you ready for your totally normal scoop of peanut butter? Nothing wrong with your 1 scoop of peanut butter.
At number 2, we have Echo, who will never trust his owner ever again. At number 1, we have Pancake, who is the most loving dog to grace this earth.